recording broke last night, so I had to do another one. So,
Not bad.
so now comment down below if you guys want ASMRs. If you guys want ASMRs, because I will start doing those. If you guys want me to. Let's just get into it, I guess. Oh yeah, nearly the same. Yes, there's a chicken.
You look like you're doing ASMR. I'm literally getting up all close.
Okay, pausing it. Yeah, comment down below if you want me to do some ASMR.
Stop saying that!
If you want me to do ASMR, like, subscribe down below, hit the post notification, so you never miss any of my videos. Jeez, sorry.
Oh, Young Sheldon's at 9. I want to watch Young Sheldon, but it's at 9 o'clock.
Stay up.
You're not now. And it's 6 cents from $4. Oh, Cartoon Network. They're killing the earth and then making it again. They're killing the earth and then making it again. Yeah, so they're collecting clouds and chopping down.
I'll get some more. Alright, I'm back. Oh, I ain't gonna get me a drink. Hold up.
Can I be in it too?
My brother's about to join soon, so I might have to move.
My first time tasting his noodles.
They're nice.
Not right.
They're a bit hot.
And also hit that like button.
I said that already.
And subscribe.
Yeah, I said it all. Post notifications and everything.
Go subscribe to my channel too.
You're on the same channel. He's on the same channel as me, so just go subscribe to him as well. But you're just subscribing to me as well. We have the same channel and we use different cameras, so. Hey.
By the way, we're in our living room.
Kitchen?
Living room.
I think my natural charm has alienated every real estate agent in the area.
I saw something. Might just be me.
Oh no, it's cooker.
Oh.
Oh, Tonton. Yeah.
Oh! Can I have the purple one? Oh!
Remember yesterday? And I said, roughly that would one die. Remember Tonton? Normally with one die. Come say Monopoly.
This is heaven.
One die.
It's so nice having you back here to talk to. You can tell me anything. I'm always here to listen. That's not what I feel about Evan. It's been a long time since I felt that way about a boy.
That means a winner.
Must be
Oh.
strange.
Yeah.
Not to think about
Winner.
why do you think I'm avoiding that? That's why
This is a W.
I just have to get over it.
It's not L's, it's W.
But I'm a big believer in
Why don't you just do a double U? Double U's.
sometimes some stay for a long time.
Oh, that's a W?
No, I mean double, like 2 U's.
Yeah, that's what the teacher said. Why is it double U?
Like there's something
Like double U. Hey. Oh, look.
that'd be nice.
2 U's.
My teacher does W's like this.
There should be double V's.
Yeah. But that doesn't make sense.
Well, it doesn't, but that's how it should be.
Hold on a second.
I don't know what it is up to. Oh, it's getting a drink.
It's about time. Like seeing them at work and then at home, I don't think that's a good idea. You guys are finally in a good place, and I do not want to be the one to
That's what a drink is. I don't know why I do it. I just do it.
I'm back.
Stop! Hopefully the audio is good. It might be a bit loud, but. It's right. Go to our TikTok account. Jason Montage. And to put it in 1 0.
No, I won.
Oh, I won. Or is it 1 0? I think it's 1 0.
I forgot because I haven't been on it in ages.
There was a piece that dropped. I'm almost finished.
I drank too much and the sun came out.
I don't think I like this. Yeah. Why don't we do that? No, they bring it up to you.
chance to protect tomorrow. Our families, our hands, our homes, our way of life. Let's look after ourselves and each other.
I just disappeared.
For generations. We need to protect what we love.
Did we pause the video?
No. Let's guess. Let's do a
It's in
guess.
our hands. Ditto. Trusted by Kiwis.
Oh.
New Zealand, sometimes we don't make the right choices. Like accidentally making a sponge cake with salt instead of sugar. But there's one choice that'll definitely go down well. Getting your funeral insurance sorted now, so your loved ones won't have to scramble to pay for your funeral costs later. So talk to someone you can trust, like New Zealand seniors, and get seniors funeral insurance. A guaranteed cover for up to $30,000. Your premiums go down as you get older. And with your creation is no longer a possibility, there's a quick payout to your family. Plus, your family will receive your full cover amount or all of the premiums you've paid, whichever's better. You can't lose. Salty. Let's try that one again. New Zealand seniors now on 0800 493
We have to finish everything.
Go to nzseniors.com.
Oh, you already finished. I want the drink. I don't know. You actually might win. But I'm going slow but and I can't drink. Can't hold. If I finish this, then I win. No, and that. And that.
Do what? I don't know. Oh, Rob. Someone's cleaning up their head.
Yeah, you know you gotta burn.
It's really tough.
Done. Done. Oh no. Oh, I jumped you. Hit the like button, subscribe, post notifications, our TikTok, follow, like our TikTok as well. Bye.